So until now, whenever a user wanted to edit a reference substance, you needed to enter an existing inventory number value. The value should exist in order to get a result. So now we type 1, 2, 3, and we see the type of results we have. But if we delete this one, and we enter a value that is not existing, the autocomplete will not work, and instead we will get a text indicating that no records were found. This means that doesn't exist, but if we click on this value, it gets accepted by the system. So Euclid now accepts values that are not in the list, and even values that may not be part of the usual format of the easy numbers.